Fermentation is one of the oldest methods of food preservation. It is a low-cost and energy-efficient way of conserving delicate raw materials and is accessible to even the most marginalized sector. Moreover, fermentation technologies play a vital part in ensuring the food security of millions of people around the world. Though very few processes are carried out in an industrial level, fermentation is still commonly practiced as a domestic or village-level technology in different countries nowadays. The fermented heirloom rice or Binubudan is one of the delicacy identity of the northern Philippines, specifically in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is an alcoholic rice paste wrapped in banana leaves, fermented for 2 to 3 days in a room temperature. The rice is soft, moist, sweet, sour, and alcoholic, and is consumed as a dessert. This is mainly used for important occasions such as weddings, rice harvesting ceremonies, festivals, and cultural affairs. However, the palatability of traditionally produced Binubudan changes as it ages. Oftentimes, it turns bitter, less sweet, and stronger in alcohol if it ages, which causes the decline in its acceptability and consumption. These unstable characteristics of Binubudan may be the major problems why this commodity has not yet entered the market in a larger scale. Hence, this study was undertaken to improve the community-owned technology by standardizing, integrating food safety in its protocols, application of a canning method to lengthen its shelf life, while maintaining its palatability and be able to use this for livelihood activities. Moreover, the product were packaged to be competitive in the global market. Standardized the composition of Binubudan, an experimental design was used, where the measurements of rice, water, and the Philippine cake yeast or bubud, the fermentation days, and water bath canning time were used as variables. In terms of the volume of water, 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5 liters of water per 2 kilograms of rice were evaluated. For bubud, 5, 10, and 15 grams per 2 kilograms of rice were used. These were fermented for 3, 4, and 5 days, then subjected to water bath canning in various times. These treated sample products were subjected to sensory evaluation by a consumer-type panel. The identified best formulation or treatment was further subjected to shelf life analysis, microbial analysis, nutritional analysis, phytochemical analysis, and marketability using attitudinal questionnaire. The product obtains positive consumer acceptability. It contains carbohydrate, protein, and calories that is within the public health recommendation. It has high phenolic and flavonoid components. This high content of phenol and flavonoid emphasize on the anti-carcinogenic and anti-mutagenic property of the product. The physicochemical analysis results show that the product has 4.88% alcohol, 12 degrees Brix soluble solids, and a pH of 4.0. When compared to the similar fermented products in ASEAN countries, these properties of Binubudan is comparable. Furthermore, the product passed the microbial load requirement for a safe food. With a computed selling price of 75 pesos per jar, based on the attitudinal market survey conducted, the consumers are willing to pay the said amount. The technology developed will pave the way to the commercialization of one of the Philippines' rice-based traditional food, which will serve as an additional product that represents the Philippines. Furthermore, the adoption of the technology will make this product sit side by side with Tapi Ketan of Indonesia, Pyomyum Ketan of Sudanese, Lao Chao of China, and other fermented products in the global market. Thank you very much.